Grain storage is one of many problems faced by Australian farmers. Traditionally, farmers have been unable to control the temperature and moisture inside grain silos, which has seen insect and mould damage, meaning lower crop yields. Grain aeration is the process of blowing air through stored grain to keep it free from insects and moisture. In the past, farmers would use aeration fans based on the time of day or condition of the surrounding air. While this provides aeration, it doesn't offer much control over the actual condition of the grain. West Australian Innovator of the Year finalist, Aeration Control has developed, in conjunction with the CSIRO, a cost-effective and intelligent system for precisely controlling grain temperature and moisture.
Well, the Aeration Manager is a controller like no other. We are actually able to control the activation of the fans purely based on the condition of the grain rather than ambient temperature. In order to make that work, the farmer is required to put in the grain condition, i.e. the moisture, the temperature and the weight of the grain. We then compare that with the size of the silo, the capacity of the fan, while continuously monitoring the weather conditions. We can then predict what is actually happening inside the silo.
An industry first, the Aeration Manager offers drying, cooling and maintenance all in one controller. Not only that, it will automatically select the correct type of aeration. The predictive technology used by the Aeration Manager makes sure the fans are only activated when needed, meaning lower running costs. The fans also come with signal feedback, so you'll always know the fans are operating when they should be. And all of this is achieved without needing in-storage sensors. Entering data into the Aeration Manager is made simple through the use of ATM-type touchscreens that guide you through the controller's functions. The available internet access means you'll be able to monitor grain condition from the comfort of your office. The Aeration Manager is fit to handle up to 8 silos, all housing different types of grain. Not only does the Aeration Manager give you an opportunity to harvest earlier and avoid potential weather damage, you'll also get maximum yield at a reduced running cost. For further information on the Aeration Manager, head to aerationcontrol.com.